Welcome, adventurers, to another mind-bending story on Beyond the Horizons. Today, we are about to embark on an extraordinary journey to uncover the enigmatic and dark origins of a sport we all love, bowling. If you're as curious as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a thrilling exploration. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and opinions on this astonishing revelation. Let's dive in! Bowling, the timeless sport that brings joy and laughter to millions, has a history far more intriguing than you could ever imagine. Buckle up as we step back in time to reveal the hidden truths behind this seemingly simple pastime. Our journey takes us to ancient Egypt, where the origins of bowling can be traced back to religious rituals. Ancient Egyptians believed that rolling stones at other stones represented a cosmic struggle between the forces of light and darkness. The legacy of bowling didn't stop there. In ancient Greece, the game took on a sinister twist. It was believed that knocking down pins represented the defeat of evil spirits, while leaving them standing symbolized a dark omen for the player. As centuries passed, bowling evolved and made its way to the shores of America, but little did people know that hidden beneath the glitz and glamour of modern bowling alleys, dark secrets still lingered. Enter the roaring 1920s, a time of prohibition, speakeasies, and secret societies. It was during this era that mysterious and clandestine bowling leagues emerged, operating under the cloak of darkness. These underground leagues were known for their exclusive membership and covert meetings, where the elite played for high stakes, both monetary and otherwise. Rumors spread like wildfire about the hidden power struggles and covert alliances formed within these leagues, shrouding the sport of bowling in an aura of intrigue and danger. Are you as amazed by the dark origins of bowling as we are? If you want to continue exploring the mysteries of history and unraveling the hidden truths of our world, then join our community by hitting that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click the notification bell to never miss an adventure. We're eager to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and share your opinions on the dark history of bowling or any other historical enigmas you'd like us to investigate next. As our incredible journey comes to an end, we hope you've been captivated by the secrets we've unveiled about the origins of bowling. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless untold stories waiting to be discovered beyond the horizons. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and together, we'll continue to shine a light on the shadows of history.